camouflage. I chose this topic because I wonder how animals hide from predators and why people use it. Camouflage means to hide or blend in with the surroundings. To start, you need to know that there is 5 basic kinds of camouflage. The first one is additional camouflage. Additional camouflage is a man-made camouflage. Like this man is camouflaged, and he's working. The second one is concealing camouflage. Concealing camouflage means to camouflage by blending in with the background, like this fox system, Arctic fox system. The third one is disguising camouflage. Disguising camouflage means to camouflage by shape and texture, like this gecko. The fourth one is disruptive camouflage. Disruptive camouflage means to camouflage by shape and pattern. The last one is mimicry camouflage. Mimicry camouflage is camouflage by copying or mimicking a stronger or poisonous animal. Optical camouflage is camouflage that makes the object not camouflage look camouflage. This is a picture of how they make an object look transparent. This is the operator, and this is like the projector, and this is a half mirror, and this is the object camouflage, and this is not object that's not camouflage. Concealing camouflage. Animals that live in the poles are good examples of concealing camouflage. This is a bird and a rabbit camouflaging in the snow. This guy's camouflage. Most animals that use this type of camouflage are insects. Can you see the animal hiding? Disruptive camouflage. Animals such as cheetahs, tigers, and zebras use it. I think most of you are thinking that zebras don't use camouflage, but they do. Disruptive camouflage helps them by making it hard for the predators to see it, so it can't find the weakest animal. Mimicry. Maybe some of you might think mimicry is not a camouflage. It isn't blending in your surroundings, but it is. Camouflage is hiding from predators or prey. Mimicry is hiding from predators by looking like a stronger or poisonous animal. This bug is mimicking like a thorn, and this butterfly looks like the eyes of an owl, so birds won't eat it. Animal camouflage. Different animals, they use camouflage. Mimic octopus, geckos, leaf insects and dead leaf mantis, caterpillars, Arctic fox, and polar bears. Cuttlefish, flounders, seahorse. A mimic octopus. This is a picture of a mimic octopus hiding in its surroundings, like its color and texture. Gecko. These geckos are camouflaged by looking like tree barks and other stuff like dirt and stuff. Leaf insects and dead leaf mantis and caterpillars. These insects are made to look like dead leaves or just random stuff like living leaves or stems and other stuff like trees. Arctic fox and polar bears. These animals are white, so they match their background of the polar areas because it snows there and they like match their color with the snow so they can hunt or hide from bigger animals. Cuttlefish. These animals are sort of like octopus and can change their colors and texture to their background. These are they're hiding there, and next is flounder. The flounders look like deformed fish, and that have two eyes on one side and one eye on one side, and they swim awkwardly, and they are like usually stay on the bottom of the ocean. They usually hide underneath the dirt or sand to stay safe from predators. Seahorse. Seahorses may look also like a deformed fish with no tail, but they are small, so they can hide in the coral reefs easily, and they can also hide in other places too. Can you see the parrot hiding in this picture? An owl is hiding in the branches on the right and a peacock on the left. Can you find it? Humans also use camouflage. Batman uses camouflage because of his dark suit. He can hide in the dark without being spotted. So, human camouflage is to hide from their enemies, to be able to come close to shoot his or her enemies, or to stay safe from their enemies. Biblical perspective. I chose Psalms 32:7. You are my hiding place. You will protect me from trouble and surround me with songs of deliverance. It connects with camouflage because God made camouflage for protection. This shows that God loves and protects even little animals. True or false? The word camouflage originally comes from the French word camoufleur. Camouflage was first used in the war during the Second World War. Animals use additional camouflage. Pigs use camouflage. All animals that use camouflage has to be green. Answers. True, true, false, false, and false. Thank you. Please give the word search back. Is this a type of camouflage? Well, maybe no. This is a video.
We're here in Indonesia for this class in underwater survival. Example 1. A type of anglerfish called a frogfish. You think you're looking at a yellowish sea sponge, and you are. But if you look very closely, you'll see a frogfish sitting there. That's what a frogfish does. Sits there. So bigger fish get used to it and leave it alone. Example 2. The ghost pipefish. These guys have evolved to mimic something no self-respecting predator would be caught dead eating. Seagrass? Hence, these ghost pipefish are free to drift wherever the tide takes them. Example 3. The leaf scorpion fish. A similar strategy to the ghost pipefish. The leaf scorpion fish has evolved itself to look like a leaf on the sand. Example 4. The cockatoo wasp fish. A final example of this scheme. Not only has the cockatoo waspfish evolved to look like a dead leaf, it's learned to rock back and forth like a leaf would. So, what's the takeaway from today's class? To stay alive down here, morphing into a plant shape might be the way to go. Would this work for humans?